What's up, guys? This is unboxing of the Lightning USB cable. So let's get into this. So I'm guessing you open from underneath. Alright. I know you take it from the top. Take this out. Yeah, see? It's open. So let's check into this. Here's the Lightning cable. Put that on the side. Alright, what do we have now? 1 minute, 1 second. So here we have this is the warranty. So you get 1 year. And this, I'm guessing, manual. Or something. I don't know. Alright, so it's just the cable. Just normal cable for the Lightning. And that's all we have. Thank you for watching. Bye.